Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a paper airplane, and it's super easy. All you need is just regular paper, and I'm going to show you guys how to make an airplane that I learned how to make when I was growing up. It's called a jet, and it's super easy and fun and simple. So let's go ahead and get started. Yeah. So here's the airplane we're going to be building. It's called a jet, and it flies super far. It's a really nice airplane, and it's super easy to make. So let's go ahead and get started on it. So to go ahead and get started on making the jet, first thing you need to do is fold your paper hot dog style, just like that. And if you don't have a paper, you can go ahead and pause the video and go grab a piece of paper and just fold it hot dog style like that. So now you can go ahead and unfold it, and you should have a nice line going down the center of the paper, just like that. See it? And now we're going to go ahead and take these corners and fold them down the center so that the edge of the paper on the top touches that center line that we just made. And there we go. So now you should have a piece of paper that sort of looks like a house. And what we need to go ahead and do is bring this triangle up here, and we want to bring it down. So just flip that triangle right over so that you have like a nice sort of envelope looking letter thing. Sort of looks like it's a Harry Potter letter. But anyways, so what you can do now is take these corners over here of the letter, and then you're going to fold them in, just like that. Now you want to leave a little tip out right over here, so when you're folding these wings on the inside, you don't want to go ahead and cover up that upside down triangle completely, because what you do after you fold them in like this is you take this little tab right here and you fold it upwards. See that? Now we can go ahead and straighten out the plane, and then you can just go ahead and fold the wings from here. And you want to make sure that when you fold the wings that you go ahead and line up the two pieces of paper on the top so that they're even, and boom, you got a jet. Perfect. Thanks so much for watching my video, guys. Leave a like or comment if you guys like this. Please let me know if there's anything else you guys want to see me do. I guess I'll see you guys next time.